Okay, guys, good afternoon, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, you know what you're looking at. Tic tac toe. You recognize the board, been playing it since we were children, and I just wanted to clarify this, guys, so I can show you how the channel works out the tic tac toe. Because everybody does it differently, so I understand it can be a little confusing sometimes. But it's very simple here. Like in the great state of Arkansas, this is the first number we had to work with, 280. We take that number and then we advance each first number 7 spaces. The 9, the 5, the 7. They came from moving the 2, the 8, and the O 7 spaces. And the last number, we move it 6 spaces. And then we come up with our final product. But you know, guys, it's only space on the tic tac toe board for 9 numbers. So that leaves us a little short right off the top. One number. And a lot of times it's going to be two or three. But I still think it's pretty accurate. See, in New York, first number we had to work with. We advance our first number 7 spaces, second number 7 spaces, third number 7 spaces, and then in the middle we advance them 6 spaces. And that's what we come up with. And the great state of New York. Okay, guys, it's the same in Cali. First number we had to work with. We advance each number 7 spaces, and the next number in the middle we advance it 6 spaces, all three of them. And that's what we come up with, Kelly. And I think that 237 is on the tic tac toe board. But I'm gonna show you something about that. Okay, guys, this is the great state of Illinois. And it's the same way. First number we had to work with, we advanced it 7 spaces. In the middle number, we advanced it 6 spaces. So, so in case you want to work your tic tac toe board out for next month, guys. It's really kind of easy. I mean, a lot of people do it differently. South Carolina, 7 spaces, then six, and there's your board. And you know what it produced. You've seen all the numbers that came this month. You know what it produced. Okay, guys. Great state of Michigan. First number we had to work with. 7 spaces, 6 spaces. But you could always go back and check out one of the videos, guys, about tic tac toe. But it's really easy. But don't forget, it always leaves us one number short, even if we come up with 9 numbers, which is very rare. Okay, guys, great state of Ohio. 7 spaces. Middle number, we move 6 spaces. See anything you playing in the Ohio? Okay, guys, now you know how to work the tic tac toe board. And this is our mid-month update for the subscriber who really didn't understand it. It happens every month. This is something that's going to happen every month. The mid-month update is where, like, between the 12th and the 16th, I guess, I will put numbers on your board that I think that will happen the second part of the month. Like in Arkansas, we got our 478, but didn't get our 479. But I'm only going to put 2 numbers on your board the vast majority of the time, guys. You know that. Like in Delaware, the Summit One update. See, we got our 948. But you can see, after having been gone 5 or 6 months, I'm bound to be a little rusty, guys. Like in Indiana, we got our 812, but we didn't get our 316. See, this is what the mid-month update is about. In the middle of the month, I'm going to do this. Like in Kentucky, we got our 279, but we didn't get our 318. But we still got a few days left. Like in Texas, we got our 285. And by Friday, I'm sure we'll see that in Texas. Okay, guys, this is your mid-month update. This is what it is about. It's the great state of Missouri, guys. Drop the 913, not the 458. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, guys, because I'm sure you understand now. Okay, this is DC. 425 came twice. but we didn't get our 468. Okay, I'm going to stop right now because I got a completion here. Okay, this is the great state of Colorado. See, this is the mid-month update in Colorado. Now we got 579. It came twice. That's excellent. That's what we want. We really want it back to back, like come midday, then come evening, because a lot of times that's how you play. You play your numbers for midday and evening when you go out and play them. But this is how it should work, and this is how we probably will be working most of the time. Just got to get a little rust off, guys. Knock a little rust off, and everything will look like Colorado in 1 minute. Okay, last but not least, guys, these are picks. Picks for the last day of the month. That is a Thursday. These are picks for Thursday, the last day in August. It's a great state of Arkansas. Okay, these are picks for South Carolina. Thursday, the last day of August. Okay, guys. These are picks for California on Thursday, the last day of August. Okay, picks for Michigan on Thursday, coming up, last day of August. Okay, guys. Picks for the great state of Illinois. These picks are for Thursday, guys. 1 day and 1 day only. Great state of Louisiana. Had to give it a shot. These picks are for 1 day, Louisiana. That's Thursday. And last but not least, Ohio. Okay, Ohio, these picks up for Thursday. I'm sorry about the 625. I only want to put two numbers on your board, and I think I chose the best two. So I had to take that one. Oh, I'm sorry. There's one more left. The great state of New York. Now, same thing in New York. I only want to put two numbers on your board, but the next time it will be two numbers on your board. So, guys, I hope everybody is doing great. And like I told you, right after I drop your triples, I'm going to explain something to them about you, and then I'm going to open up the comment, guys, because you know I always want to hear from you. Okay, bless you guys, and I'll see you real soon. Have a great evening.